from Kenya section. That's an honor again. Nice to meet you again.
Tutimize na malengo yetu, jumuiya yetu.
We call it a diplomatic journey. So, I listened. Together in the Hungary Matan Institute. So, as I said,
we are going to do a training of the Kenya School of Government, which is under me, with the University of Nairobi, specifically on two areas. One is on the Leadership Institute, because we want the government part of that Leadership Institute to come from the Kenya School of Government, and we are going to break that barrier to ensure that we work together.
The only resource we have that we can be proud of is the human resource. But again, that particular resource we have cannot be of any meaning unless we equip it properly with the kind of skills and the competencies required in order to compete in this 21st century.
These statistics serve to exemplify our national commitment to education and informs our collective efforts towards making Kenya the top academic destination in the continent for the benefit of our children and grandchildren. This will ensure that a Kenyan graduate is competitive anywhere in the world.